Yo, what's good, y'all?
Yo, what's good, fam?
Yo, what's good, guys? What's up, guys? Man, get back. You sneeze like this, and your elbow like this, not like this. Who taught you that shit? Bro, Leo be looking good, bro. Hey, guys, sorry, I'm coming from gym. I have a pass, though.
That's fine, David. Please be seated.
Do you guys smell that? Yeah, I smell that, too. Guys, I have asthma. I can't. David, we know it's you. It can't be me. I sprayed Axe. Man, get out. Go.
David, for everybody's safety, get out!
Alright, y'all. Call me after school. Call me after school.
Bro, I got you.
Alright. My head is itching.
Wow, guys, look, I think it's snowing. It's a miracle.
Snow in the summer? That's impossible, but hey, I'm gonna catch snow on my tongue.
Yeah, bro, me too. Guys, no, stop. That's not snow. That's David's dandruff. No! No!
I knew it was too good to be true.
David's dandruff does contain radioactive chemicals inside of it, okay? Be careful.
Okay, what? Am I gonna be Spider-Man?
No, but you are gonna get HIV.